Hello and welcome. Today we will be unboxing HAVELLS top-of-the-line mixer grinder, the Premio. It has features that takes it right to the top of the range in the country. So let's take out a paper cutter and open up this package right in front of me, shall we? The first thing we see is the user manual, packed with useful information about your new possession. Go ahead and go through it to find the do's and don'ts. After that, you take out the streamlined spatula to scoop out all the ground and blended foodstuff. Next come the 3 hygienic stainless steel jars that are included with the mixer. These jars are made from high-grade stainless steel, making them tough and durable. Next, we see the Premio in all its glory. Remove the protective plastic cover to get your hands on it. The Premio has a stylish LED power indicator that enhances the beauty of the appliance. Its design ensures hands-free operation for all jars and freedom of movement for you in the kitchen. Hands are usually greasy while cooking, however, with the special feature lifting the product is easy and effortless. It also has a 3-speed control knob. The pulse function gives food time to drip down to the blades and hence is used for more fine grinding. Pulsing is one of the most important mixer grinder features and ensures that one's food is not over-processed. The Premio has a heavy-duty 750-watt electrical motor. The Premio takes care of the safety of the motor with a built-in overload protector. The 1.5-liter liquidizing jar is used for making milkshakes, smoothies, cold coffees and mango shakes. The 1-liter dry-wet grinding jar can be used for grinding of nuts, coconut, dosa mix and idli mix. And the 0.5-liter chutney jar can be used for making chutneys. It also has a flow breakers in jars for better mixing performance. Now don't worry about lids either because the Premio has break-resistant polycarbonate lids. To top it all, it has superior 304 grade stainless steel blades which include the wet-dry grinding blade, perfect for making batter for your idli or dosa. The chutney blade for all your chutneys and the liquidizing blade for pureeing and making juices. The Premio provides great stability because it comes with specially injection molded vacuum feet instead of conventional rubber feet. So no toppling over and no mess. It comes in 2 colors, white and cherry, which makes it a hard choice to be honest. So now is the time to get this elegant product into your kitchen and make it part of your everyday life.